University of Cape Town constitutional lawyer Dr. Alfred Mavedzenge says President Emmerson Mnangagwa is in a catch-22 situation as he risks causing an implosion in ZANU-PF if he backtracks on his statement that he will not push for a third term in violation of the constitution. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. On the other hand, says Mavedzenge, sticking to his promise could confer him the status of a statesman for prosperity. In an interview, Mavedzenge, who is a senior research fellow at the University of Cape Town, where he attained a PhD in constitutional law and an LLM in constitutional and administrative law, said he believes Mnangagwa is not being honest in saying he is not interested in a third term. I think he is not being honest. He has not been so in the past. He is giving an impression he is now okay, which is a positive thing. It's beneficial to both ZANU-PF and outside that leaders can come and go. He lost an opportunity to democratize since taking over power, and I think he is now in a catch-22 situation. If he does not backtrack on his promise that he won't seek a third term, that will redeem his legacy in that regard. However, if he pushes for a third term, there will be implosion within ZANU-PF and even outside the party. In today's news, Mnangagwa is in a catch-22 situation. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.